Okay, I'm just going to show you how to make the French biscuits with a little bit of a close-up on the assembling part. So once you've made your mixture, you get a tablespoon of the dough that's been resting for the 20 minutes. And then I'm just going to roll it into the nuts and just get a bit of the big and the small nuts that have been chopped up and get it all on the ends and things. And then you put it on the tray and then you just shape it into like a little bit of a U shape. So I'll just show you one more time how I've done that. So I grab a tablespoon of mixture and just push it off the spoon because it's a bit sticky, and then roll it into the nuts so that it's completely coating the outside of the dough, because the dough is really sticky, so it's hard to handle until you've got the nuts on it. And then you can roll it out a bit easier once it's coated. And then you put it onto the tray and you make it into a U shape, maybe not too close because they will rise. Like you can see the difference of how big they rise. They really rise quite a bit. But see how the beautiful nuts makes the outside look beautiful? And that's all there is to it.